Good morning students. I hope you all are well. So as we were reading about pronouns, in earlier class we have also discussed what is pronouns and what kinds of pronouns. We were read about personal pronouns. I have also explained you what is personal pronouns, and I have also explained you a table which relates to subjective pronouns and objective pronouns, and I have also discussed how you will use pronouns in plural form and in singular form. It may be subjective pronouns or it may be objective pronouns. So what we have to do, here is given a question: replace the underlined nouns and noun expressions with personal pronouns. Here are given some sentences, and what we have to do, which word underlined we have to replace with personal pronouns. So let's start. The players in my team are the best. The players dot won several matches. The players is in plural form. The players is in plural form, and the players repeated once again in sentence, and I have told to you, when once again a word repeated in sentence, then we will use pronouns at that place. So here we will use they for players. Now next, my friend Suri loves flowers. I'll buy some for Suri. So in this sentence, Suri repeated once again. So which personal pronouns we will use here? Him. Why we have used here him? Because in this sentence Suri is object. So we will use here objective pronouns. Now next, a crow is eating all the seeds. I'm going to shoo the crow away. The crow is a bird, and I told to you it used for animals and birds also. So we will use here it. A crow is eating all the seeds. I am going to shoo the crow it away. Now next, my parents and I are going for a picnic. My parents and I are going to Nandankanan. I have a surprise gift for my parents. So my parents and I. So here subject is in plural form. So we will use here also plural form. We will use here we. We are going to Nandankanan. I have a surprise gift for my parents. So for my parents, which personal pronouns we will use? Yes, them. It's them. Now next. So students, now in next sentence, here is a conversation between a mom and his son. So mom, the sentence is, Mom, what are you doing? Shrinu, Shrinu, should go for a walk now. So here is a conversation between mom and his son. His son name is Shrinu. So mom is saying to Shrinu, what are you doing, Shrinu? Shrinu, Dot should go for a walk now. So which personal pronoun we will use here? You. You. You should go for a walk now. Shrinu, okay mom. Shrinu, Dot will take a walk now. Here, what personal pronoun will use for Shrinu? Shrinu, it means subject. So here Shrinu is in subject form. So we will use here I. I will take a walk now. So mom, what are you doing, Shrinu? Shrinu, you should go for a walk. Now Shrinu, okay mom, I will take a walk now. So that was your exercise. I hope you must have understood. You will do this question in your notebook within neat and clean handwriting. Goodbye. Have a nice day.